All right, let's talk about a nice straight smile. There's a big trend out right now where there's these home clubs you can actually call up, send some impressions that you do yourself, and essentially kind of straighten your teeth at home with trays. Call it a home club, right? Here's a problem with that. Well, here's the reason why people actually decide to do it. It's because of money. It's less expensive, right? It's not the $6,000, $10,000, whatever it costs for Invisalign. No, it's half the investment. But here's the problem. Do you know the number one reason why we actually straighten teeth? It's not because of the smile. It's for health reasons. It's to help prevent gum disease, to keep the inflammation at bay in your mouth. It's like open sore the whole time. So you want to straighten your teeth because why? Straighter teeth are actually easier to keep clean. And if they're easier to keep clean, lower chance of inflammation and gum disease. So that's the number one reason why you actually want to straighten your teeth. And let's say you already have gum disease. Gingivitis is included in that. And you start to move your teeth. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to spread all that disease all around your smile, your teeth, and it's going to get worse. And that's what you don't want to do. Why do you want to spread all that stuff around and cause more problems? And that's exactly what will happen. And the thing is, when you do it at home, you are not aware of all your current dental conditions. You don't have a partner who's with you to make sure that everything is done correctly, right? If you have dental implants, loose teeth, gum disease, extreme decay, you don't want to go the home way and do it yourself, because the money you spent is going to cost you 2-3 times that much to actually fix the problems you will create. So if you're thinking about doing that little home smile club, think twice. Value your smile. Do it right. Get a professional. When I have a leak at home, I call a plumber. Although I think I can fix it, I'm going to cause more damage. So I'm going to go ahead and call the plumber. So when you think about your smile, call a professional.